What's up, guys? Welcome back to Outdoor Addiction TV. Tonight we're going to be talking about the GOYOJO GS515 and how to connect it to the roadcam app for Android users. As you can see down here, we've already got it connected. It's pretty easy to connect. We've gone over a few different things that you're going to want to pay attention to. One of the biggest things is making sure that your Wi-Fi is set to not automatically reconnect to the stronger network, especially if you're within proximity to your house, because what's going to happen is it is going to disconnect from your optic because the optic does not have internet, and your tablet, phone, iPad, whatever it is that you're using is going to want to automatically reconnect to a network that has internet. So that's going to be one of the first things you're going to want to do, is to turn that function off. And I do go over that in the video. So without further ado, we'll get to that. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to hold down on the down arrow. That's going to bring you into your menu. Then you're going to scroll over till you get to your Wi-Fi. And in order to turn it on, you're going to hold down on the down arrow. As you can see, that just brought up your Wi-Fi and activated it. Alright guys, let's show you how to use this roadcam app. So what you're going to do is you're going to open the roadcam app. You're just going to go through the typical agree stuff. Make sure you allow it. And one of the things I mentioned before is make sure that the auto reconnect on your tablet, if you're next to your house, make sure that your auto reconnect is turned off. Because as you saw in that other clip, it said that it couldn't connect. And like I was showing you, what happened is my tablet had reconnected to my network that had internet. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go in and you're going to have to manage network settings and then take your auto reconnect and make sure that's turned off. That way, it'll stay connected to the GS515. Then you can simply click on the GS515 and it'll open up and connect to the GS515. And as you can see, it's looking at whatever's the GS515 is seeing. As you guys can see, it puts out a extremely crisp image. You can stop the recording from inside the app, as well as look at previous videos that you have, photos that you've taken. The image quality that comes through is quite clear. You can see, look, I'll prove that it's an active image that's coming through. That picture's on the other side of my house. It's like 10 yards. Well, I mean, it's not super far, but it's a super quality image. As you can see, looking through the scope, you can see the crosshairs. I can't quite get it straight because of the stock, but you get the picture. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys are able to use this information. Make sure to like and subscribe and share the video. Help me out. Thanks everybody. And remember, it's not about the catch or the kill. It's about getting out there with your kids. Thanks, and see you guys later.